Hello, my name is Terence Riley. I am the co-founder and CEO of a company called Mexlend. Mexlend is Mexico's oldest and most experienced mortgage brokerage. Yes, there are mortgages available in Mexico. Over the 15 years that we have been in business, we have helped hundreds of people to buy their properties throughout Mexico. We have loans available in US dollars and Mexican pesos with rates as low as 3.85%, which is historic for Mexico. Our team works with your lender, with your realtor, and with the notario to make it run as smoothly as possible. In fact, a lot of our clients have become lifelong friends. In addition to mortgages, Mexlend also has an escrow service. We're the only escrow service in Mexico that offers multi-currencies in US dollars, Canadian dollars, Mexican pesos, and euros. So stop by our booth at the 2020 Vallarta Real Estate Fair, Saturday, February 15th, where I will be one of many real estate professionals that you can ask any questions and answer all of your questions as well. If you need any further information over mortgages or any of your real estate questions about the real estate fair, go to www.vallartarealestatefair.com.